Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up safes that you find within the game throughout various different locations. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to open safes that are locked within the game, then in order to do so, you will need to unlock a perk which is known as Locksmith. In order to do this, you will need to have at least 9 perk points available to you. After you have 9 perk points available, just tap on the tab button within your keyboard, which will take you into the map menu. From here, click on the star icon, which shows your perks. From here, you can simply hover over to the Locksmith perk, and then tap on the enter button in order to unlock it. Once this ability has been unlocked, in order to open up any safe, you will simply need to locate the safe that you wish to unlock, and you will now see the pick lock icon. Just press and hold the E button in order to start picking this lock. Once this process is completed, this will now open up the safe right away, and now you will be able to access various different rewards that you will find within the safe. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock various different safes within the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.